Hey, hi guys, how are you all? I hope you are able to see me properly. Yes or a no, so tell me in the chat. Um I am today pretty much excited that today we guys are gonna complete object oriented programming, and we will also do a small project towards the end. That's a game of like tick. No, it's rock paper season. No? Yesterday we were doing rock paper season, so that is also pending. So two things. Number one is all about object oriented programming. Once we are done with object oriented programming, then we will be going ahead with rock paper scissors. So these are the only two things that we have got today to complete, and pretty with all the efforts that we have done so far. मतलब आज तक जितना था अपन ने सब पूरा पाइथन में fine. So we have completed all starting from introduction to Python till like now. Here we will be talking today object oriented programming. So this is all in Python. These are the only things that we have got. Okay, if you know this much, you can get started with building any of your projects ASAP. Okay, so all you need is this much. Once you know this much, you can run like crazy. Let's get started. Okay, without further ado, I'm transitioning my screen. Today we'll be referring to a proper notes for studying what is object oriented program and what all other things are there. Fine, only one thing that we will not cover in this entire thing, that is encapsulation and abstraction, because that I'll cover orally. I'll not go through in specific and in detail. That you please refer the notes that is already there, because time will not allow us to go till that point. Okay, so let's get started. Can you see my screen? Please give me a confirmation if you are able to see my screen right now. Okay, so these are our notes. Okay, these are our notes that we have with us in the live chat. Also we are seeing all these the link for these notes, and you know that this notes, I hope you have accessed it at least once till date. Okay, now what is object oriented programming? Now what is object oriented programming? In real life, each and everything is an object, whatever is in front of you. For example, in front of me there is a chair. Okay, in like this chair has got a cushion, then wheels. Okay, so there are properties which are associated with each and every object. So let's take a very common example in object oriented programming, that is car. You all know there are cars in real life. They have got lots of properties in terms of, is it a petrol vehicle or a diesel vehicle? Okay, is it a normal 4-seater or is it a 7-seater? Okay, so please put all the properties that you know about a car. Okay, so please put all the properties of a car. I am looking forward to the chat right now, so please tell me fatafat. Okay, so what all properties are there? So let's just have a revision of that and then we will take it ahead. So kya hai bhaiya properties of a car? Yet to see anything coming in the chat. Achha, I have shifted to variant. Okay, variant is there. Brake, engine, light, dashboard, seats. Okay, engine power, how many cc the particular engine is. Okay, that's a tire. Which company tire it is? I mean, is it of MRF or is it of some other company? Done. Then what other properties are there? 4-seater, 7-seater, a 5-seater, or then we have got, it's a SUV, it's a sedan, it's a hatchback. Okay, it's a premium sedan. So these all horsepowers, okay, torque, these all are the properties of a particular object that is known as car. Now if at all you are making a website, okay, you are making a website. Now whenever you are making a website, you will not store all this data in a list or in a dictionary, right? You want to store this all data in a much more organized manner. To store the data in a much more organized manner, you use something known as object oriented programming. Are we clear? Please tell me in the chat. Okay. I hope you all are clear. Sharmisha, Sharmila, I'm only talking in English here from the very start, I think so. So I hope that's fine. Okay, so these are the objects. Now let's open this and see. Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm or a style that uses objects as a central building block of any software program. Okay, then which consist of attributes and methods. Okay, attributes are kind of properties, and functions or like methods are procedures. Okay, SOPs. Okay, so these are the two fundamental principles on which object oriented programming works. Number one principle is attributes or properties. Number two is like functions or procedures. That's it. Are we clear? Done? Every one of you with me? Yes or a no? All 100 of you all? Okay. Now objects are instances of class. Objects are instances of class. Now classes are kind of a template. Fine. Clear? So we all have seen what we say that a photo frame, right? Photo is a instance. Photo frame is a class. Clear? Photo frame is a class. Now you have a photo frame. In that photo frame you can put any kind of photo. That particular photo is the instance. Okay, class instance, that is known as object. Clear? Are we clear? Are we clear? Are we clear? Every one of you. Okay, photo frame is a class. Photo is an object. Okay, or instance of an object. Okay, instance of that class, that is object. Instance of a class is object. Instance objects are instances of class. इतना सा line याद रखो, मतलब रट लो. Okay, objects are instances of class. Now classes are a blueprint or a template. Are we clear? It's a template. In that template, in a photo template, you can put anything. The same way, you all have seen this particular die, na? Iron die cast. Fine. So you all know these dies. Okay, using these particular die, you can create. Using this particular die, you can create any iron object. You just need to inject that object inside it and it will automatically get created. Agree? Every one of you? Sorted? So this is a particular die which is for creating that iron object. All you need to do is like inject iron inside this. Yes or no? So this die is the class template. This die is what? Class template. It's a class. It's a class template. The object that you will get out of this after like the dyeing is done proper, I mean you injected iron, and the output is a object. Is a object. You can have multiple objects of the same class. Are we clear? You can have multiple objects of the same class. Are we clear? Every one of you, sure? Done. So और कुछ अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है क्या? That's it यार. I don't have much on this, so let's get back to notes. Encapsulation, polymorphism, this we'll see later. Modularity, code reusability. Okay, what are the advantages? What are the advantages of using object-oriented programming? Advantages of using object-oriented programming are modularity. When we talk about modularity is all about like how you can use various classes. I mean, various classes to organize your entire code together. Okay, that is modularity. Code reusability, write one class once and use it every time whenever you want. Okay, and let's say you have written a class that is animal class. Okay, animal class, you have written a class that is animal class. Now in this animal class, that can be utilized for, like in a program where you have to collect the names of the animal. In that program also you can use animal class, but you can also use the animal class for creating a program which has got let's say animal का क्या हो सकता है. I mean, that can be utilized for writing down the pet names, but at the same time that animal class can be utilized for by the forest department also. Okay, so that animal class will be written once, but it can be utilized for various applications. Ease of maintenance, that is like, because class is one particular code template, if you have to do any kind of modifications, do it in the class itself. Once you do it in the class, it can be the same class is used everywhere else, so you have to just maintain one code base. That's it. OOP is widely, like object oriented programming is widely used in C++, just Java, Python. Okay, all these particular programming languages. And let's get into the detail of how to create our own class in Python right now. Are we all on the same page till now, every one of you? When I was thinking of that animal class example, one of the animal class example is like writing down the names of your pet. For that also you'll use the same animal class, like what is the characteristic of your animal, and then it can be dog, it can be cat, it can be anything, but the same class, that is animal class. But at the same time, if you want something like, this they put vaccine. In forest department they put vaccine to each and every animal after a certain point of time. Okay, so that vaccine enrollment database can also use the same animal class. That was running in my mind. Okay, chalo, done. Everyone is with me so far? All good? जल्दी बताओ यार, जल्दी बताओ कि साथ में हो कि नहीं हो. Are you guys with me? If yes, then let's go ahead. Classes and objects are fundamental concepts in object programming. Okay, classes are the blueprint. That's what it is. This is how a particular class is there. Okay, so now let's try to understand this class. Class person. This is the class name is person. Now in this class you will have a by default function. This by default function is known as what? It is known as constructor. What it is known as? Constructor. Are we clear? Constructor. This constructor will consist of your variable, of your data types, or like attributes. Data types, not attributes. So this consists of attributes. So name is equal to name, age is equal to age. This is defining your attributes. This self dot name is like defining your attributes. Self dot age is like defining your attribute. Clear? And then def greet is like is a method or a function which is a part of this particular class person. Clear? Yes or a no? Are we clear? Are we clear so far? Done. And this method is using the attributes. This name is being used here, age is being used here. Okay, fine. In the notes it is given very clearly. The init initialization method is a special method which is known as a constructor, and self is a reference to the instance of a class. Name and age are the attributes. Greet is the method of the person. Clear? Done? Okay. Why self is there? Self is to like reference to the instance of the particular object. Okay, now whenever you create an object, that object is stored in some memory point. To retrieve all attributes from that memory point, you need to use this self keyword which takes the address location inside. and it plays with it. That is the reason you just have to close your eyes and put self. Okay, that is a kind of an advanced concept where you work with what's the address and the memory location of this particular object. All those things are done there, but for your current thing, just use the word that is self. Clear? Okay, now every one of you, let's get started with the code aspect of it. Give me a heads up as soon as we hit 720 or something like that. Okay, fine. Okay, now here classes and objects. Now in classes and objects, the very first part, class. Our class, let's take greeting. Okay, or like class hello. Done. Class hello. All you have to do is def init __ self and then name. Okay, self dot name is equal to name. That's it. Now when you do def, okay, def, then you just put up a function name that is like say hi. Okay, in this you have to pass self, and here print hey how are you. Okay, here self dot name. Maybe we will end this with some exclamation mark and a emoji. Clear? Done. So कोई एरर नहीं है ना इसमें बाबा? कोई एरर नहीं है. हाँ, मैं सही किया है. Done. तो hello, whenever you will do this particular thing, right? Let's say किसको hello बोलना है? Hello. Let's say hello and take name, that is Teja. Okay, it's an object of this particular class. Okay, object of this particular class. Now hello Teja के अंदर it is saying one required argument is missing. Argument is missing, that is name. So I need to pass here name, that is Teja. Okay, capital T-E-G-A, Teja. So what will happen automatically? So whenever I do hello underscore Teja dot, okay, now it will say hi is a function. Okay, so say hi is a function. Hello Teja. Teja is a object of class hello. Class hello का object है जिसमें बस मुझे Teja पास करना है. Whenever I just hello Teja dot say hi, so it will say the exact thing. Hey, how are you Teja? Understood? Understood? Clear? Now if you don't want this entire thing, you just want to get the attribute hello dot, then you just do name. Okay, hello dot name. कहाँ गया यार? Hello नहीं यार, hello Teja था ना. Hello, object name is hello Teja dot name. Okay, hello Teja dot name. So it will give you exact attribute property, value, exact attribute value. Are we clear? Every one of you? ठीक है, ज़्यादा बड़ा कोड नहीं है, इतना सा ही कोड है. I mean the code is literally this much. This hello, then this hello. We have created Teja wala object, and once we created Teja object, we just passed the name Teja here, and whenever we are doing hello Teja dot say hi, it is exactly doing it. Clear? Done. We will create one more time a class, and then we will take it ahead. Okay, sure? Chalo. Here the next class can be like class, okay, class, कौन सा class बनाए यार बताओ, car, okay, car, fine, def underscore underscore init underscore underscore self. What all properties are there of car? Okay, so let's say fuel type, one of the property. The second property is let's say second property क्या है? Second property होगा number seats, then name of the car, then brand of the car, okay, then let's say engine capacity, okay, done. So these all are there. Self dot fuel type is equal to fuel type, okay, self dot seats is equal to seats, then self dot name is equal to name, self dot brand is equal to brand, self dot engine capacity is equal to engine capacity. Now first we will, let's just do it थोड़ा सा इज्जत से ना. पहले तो क्या आएगा, पहले तो नाम आएगा, first name brand will come, then let's say fuel type, then engine, then seats will come. Clear? Proper na? Proper? Done? That's it. Class car. थोड़े ये भी बना देते हैं methods. def show basic detail. Okay, show basic details. In this show basic details, you will do self, then say print. Proper formatting के साथ you want to do it, right? So print name, self dot name, okay, then again proper this formatting, and this time you do, let's say, what is this, name हो गया, brand ना, brand brand, then let's say we are only just going to take this much detail and we'll then end it, okay, इतना करके we will end this entire function, and then we will create a proper one more method which will show all the details, okay, show all details, okay, this will not have this much formatting and all, okay, सारा formatting निकाल दे, we will remove all this formatting, and then we'll just have all the things here, name, brand, then uske then later we have name, brand, fuel type, okay, fuel fuel type, then here let's say then fuel engine capacity, and then we have seats. Done? Clear? Chal, sorted. So this much big class car class has been created. Now to define a car, give me your favorite car. Okay, give me a list of all your favorite cars in the chat. Okay, so let's just go and create class car object. Give me in the chat, every one of you. I'm waiting for your responses. Still there are no responses, so let me just start with my own car. Magnite. Okay, Magnite, it's a car. Now what all things are required? So it is giving me, see, name is required, brand is required, fuel type is required, engine capacity is required. Okay, so let's say name is equal to Magnite. Then what is required? Then क्या है? Then brand equal to Nissan. Okay, then what do we have? Fuel type. Fuel type equal to petrol. Okay, then what else do we have? Engine capacity is equal to 1000 cc. Okay, then what else do we have? We have seats is equal to 5. That's it, done. Okay, so we took all this detail and we created Magnite. Now whenever I'll do Magnite, अरे यार मैंने गलत थोड़ा नाम लिख दिया, MAGNITE, Magnite. I'll run it one more time. Let's this time Magnite dot. When I just put dot, it will give me show all details or show basic details. I want to do show basic details. It will just print Magnite Nissan. Clear? Now one more time Magnite dot show all details. Clear? So now see, it is basically showing all the details. Yes or no? Any one of you, please tell me in the chat. Clear? Okay, now let's create one more class. Okay, so taking example from your Dodge Challenger. अरे भाई उसका कितना cc है मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know how much cc that particular car is. For sure I know a car known as Thar. So let's create Thar. Thar is equal to Magnite. ले नहीं, Thar is not equal to Magnite. हाँ यार, you can basically, you're getting the detail. If you want to set the detail, see, okay, so let's just extend this. No, leave this. चलो वो छोड़ो. Thar का पहले वो करते हैं. First let's get this Thar done, है ना? Then we have to play with THER, Thar, Mahindra. Mahindra spelling is right or wrong. Petrol, it's 1500 cc, only seating capacity 4. Okay, done. Thar dot, you just do basic show all details, it will work. Okay, so then you can basically build one more this thing, that is like you can build one more class. In that class you can inherit the parent class properties and all. Okay, so that is all possible. So are you clear now what is a class and how to create objects of it and all? Now let's go ahead to our notes and see if we have missed on anything. ये तो कर लिया अपन ने. Attributes and methods. Attributes are there. We just completed attributes. We all know attributes now. Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. You know what are attributes now in class? These are nothing just but the variables that you declare. Okay, variables that you declare. Done. Now accessing them is like very simple. You just do the object dot name, you will get the output. Okay, so that is also clear. Fine. Now you want to set, like we were just discussing right now for the Thar detail also. If you want to set certain value, how to set it? So let's just see that. Okay, अभी मुझे कार एक पूरा बनाया मैंने. In this car object I have to do something, set, okay, set brand, self but also brand. Okay, here you will do self dot brand is equal to, let's say you name it temp brand. So you are clear, like new brand, you just create it like new brand. For example, now Nissan Magnite is there. If the same vehicle, okay, let's take a car like Baleno. Baleno is known Baleno in Maruti Suzuki, but the same vehicle is rebadged as Toyota. What is that name? What is the name? Toyota something, na? Toyota Glanzia. Okay, give me the name of that in the chat. I will just copy paste that name. So we will use that right now. Okay, so self.brand is equal to new brand. Then we will also do it for this. Rest everything remains Glanza. Okay. Set name. Done. So chalo, I have created two different objects, two different methods in the object, set brand and set name. Now we just created it. Let's, oh, my battery is low, so let me plug it in, or else this will crash. Done. ठीक है. So अपना ये क्या बनाया अपन ने? Just we have created two more methods, that is set method. So let's just go check it out. है ना? Let's create one more new object. Let's say Baleno. Baleno is equal to car. Array, copy paste this. Baleno, Maruti Suzuki, fuel type petrol, engine capacity 1200. I don't know if it is 1200 cc or what. 5-seater. Okay, same thing is known as Glanza. Abhi na, first of all, let's just go to see Baleno dot show all details. Now it's saying Baleno, Maruti Suzuki, fuel type, that is petrol, engine cc is equal to 1200, seats is equal to 5. Clear? Itna ho gaya. Now here we will do something like क्या करें? हाँ, Glanza is equal to Baleno. Simple line. Glanza is equal to Baleno. Now when you will do Glanza dot, okay, Glanza dot show all details. What it is saying, it shows Toyota, but it is not showing Toyota. So what we will do, we'll say Glanza dot set brand. Brand is Toyota. हो गया क्या? हाँ. Then we will do same thing for name. Set name is equal to Glanza. Okay, done. Now we will just do Glanza dot show all details. Okay, Glanza dot show all details. Now it is what? Whoa, our entire object ka details have converted from Baleno to Glanza just by simple copy paste. Just literally by simple copy paste. Yay. Yes or no? Just simple copy paste. Glanza is equal to Baleno. Just change the name, that is Glanza and Toyota, from Maruti Suzuki to this thing. Agree? Every one of you? Done? Are you guys with me? Okay. I think everyone is with me so far. We can go ahead. I am not seeing any responses coming in. Please tell me in the chat if there is a response or else there is no responses coming in. क्या है भाई, आज का सब ये हो गया क्या? Okay, so attributes and method is also done. Now what else is there? Let me just have a look at it. Constructor. Okay, so see, what is a constructor? Constructor is a special method used to initialize the attributes of an object when it is created. It's not only there in Python, it is there in all the languages. You go to C++, there also you will find constructor. You go to Java, you will find constructor. Okay, so this is a constructor that we have declared here. It starts with _init, that is initialization, that is the thing. Okay, so there is something also known as destructor. Destructor is like destructor is called whenever that object is going to kill. Whenever that object is going to get killed, that time destructor is basically used. Okay, so that is destructor. Someone is saying moe. अरे भाई क्यों भाई? You guys are like not able to understand this object oriented programming. I'm just trying to make it like very easy for you all. It's super easy. Now one last concept that is remaining in Python, object oriented programming, for you all guys. That is inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism through which you can inherit certain attributes, certain methods from parent class to the child class. Okay, properties and methods, you can inherit that into your child class. So let's just see. This is a base class. I'll just go and like copy paste this. अभी वापस कौन लिखेगा? ठीक है. So def in constructor self name. Okay, this def speak. Now speak के अंदर this is just writing a you all know na placeholder. Pass is nothing just but it's a placeholder. It is just putting there is a method known as speak, but in that speak what exactly is there we don't know. So we are just saying that pass. There is no entry in this. Just hold it. Whenever I'll use it for my base class, I will fill the details of this speak method. So let's just see how it works. Okay, so ये हो गया. अभी इसके अंदर देखो. Now here you have two classes. One is dog and dog speak. Abhi, now what happened here? This animal class had speak thing, but the speak is now getting fulfilled with say woof, and in this cat it's say meow. Okay, so let's just see how it works. Now you are seeing animal. In this it is saying that inherit from animal class. So that means this name attribute has got inherited in this class known as dog, also in this class known as cat also. Let's just try to create a dog class. Give me a name of a dog. Let's say Cody. Cody is equal to dog. Name is Cody. Clear? And cat. Give me a cat name. Just give me a name of a cat. Just give me a name of a cat. Let's say यार cat का नाम है कभी मैं जिंदगी में Tom. Okay, fine. Tom is equal to cat. Okay, in this Tom. Done. So Cody dot, because we have called dog class. Okay, it will say woof. Now Tommy dot speak class. Tommy will say what? Meow. Tom. So Tommy not Tom. Tom will say what? Meow. Clear? Sorted? Done? चलो. So इसमें हुआ क्या है? What happened here? We have never in this dog wala class did we initialize a constructor? No, we have not. There is no such thing ना. देखिए यहाँ पे name कहाँ लिखा है, कहीं लिखा ही नहीं है. This has inherited this basic constructor. This dog class has inherited this thing into it. This cat class, like this again cat class inherited this thing into cat class, because you have here passed what? Animal. Sorted. So whenever you give a base class, your things get inherited into the child class. Base class you are passing as a attribute, like argument, and it is capturing all the things from there. Sorted? Every one of you clear? Now we have created a car class. Na, we have created a car class. Okay, car class. Now if we create a class that is class SUV, that is inheriting car class. Okay, that is inheriting car class. Now we just do a few new things. df it's what is it, what is it, let's see. I'm just defining a new variable that takes self, and it will just print this is a car of, this is a car of self dot brand, self dot brand. Okay, name is, let's say, self dot name. Okay, then which is a SUV. That's it. I have just defined a SUV class. Okay, now whenever I will do SUV, so let's say just give me a Fortuner is equal to a SUV. Here when I will do, it will ask me name, brand, fuel type, everything. So it will say brand Toyota. Okay, then it will ask me name is equal to Fortuner. Okay, then it will ask me fuel type, है fuel type, fuel type is equal to petrol. Then it will ask me then it will ask us like engine, इसका तो spelling mistake हो सकता है, engine cap is equal to 2500 cc. Then what is the last thing? Seats is equal to 7. Done. So Fortuner dot what is it, कहाँ गया, what is it. ठीक है. So I have never, this is a car of Toyota named Fortuner, which is a SUV. Clear? So see what I have done. I have created a new child class known as SUV, but I have inherited all the properties of base class. The base class is the car. Okay, everyone clear? Got it? Now you can do it for same sedan also. Okay, you just have to write code once and you can inherit the entire code to create a new class. Okay, that is known as inheritance. That's it, guys. These are the entire things for your object oriented programming. This is the basic part of object oriented programming. You can actually go and like refer the notes for even further things, but I would like you guys to get started with our project now. So today's project day, and today we have to finish the entire project of rock paper Caesar. Okay, so what is a rock paper Caesar? Explain me in the chat. Okay, please tell me in the chat what is rock paper, scissor. What is rock, paper, scissor? This is the project which you just need to complete right now. So let's get started, because if I don't start it right now, it will not end. If it doesn't end, and then if I'm ending it without a proper project, then my team will not be happy with it. Okay, so let's start. Rock, paper, scissor. What is rock, paper, scissor? Rock, paper, scissor is a game. Okay, rock, paper, scissor is a game, but which game is that? Rock, paper, childhood game. Fine. Let's create rules for the game. You are required to develop a Python game, base game for silver. Okay, fine. You will develop human versus bot kind of program. Enter your choice, paper. Computer generates a random key out of 3. Base out of rule, we will get winner of the round. Game board, human points, computer points, ties, and keep on the game until a player asks to exit. Clear? So this is the entire game. So scissor beats paper, paper beats rock, rock beats scissor. Logic of the entire game is this. Clear? Logic of the entire game is this. Clear? Everyone sorted with me? Pakka? Scissor beats rock, rock beats, sorry, scissor beats paper, paper beats rock, rock beats scissor. Oh wow. Scissor, paper, rock. ठीक है, चलो. Let's get started with this entire thing. Start करते हैं. So what are the steps? The step number 1, step 1. Okay, इधर लिखते हैं steps इसके अंदर. Fine. Step number 1. Step number 1, create. Step number 1 is basically create a function to take user input. Then we will say the next thing, create a function to generate computer input. Then the third thing is check who is winning. Fourth, check who is winning. Give 3 outputs, either computer, either human, or either draw. Fine. Okay, these are the 3 things which we have to take as a input. Then computer, human, or it's a draw. If it is computer, then add +10 to computer. Sorry, manage score. Okay, then ask if the user want to play again. Simple. So these are the things that we have got. Rock, paper, scissor, SS. The logic is very simple. The logic is logic to win. Rock beats scissor. ठीक है, scissor beats paper. Okay, then the third point is paper beats rock. Done. So clear, super clear about the entire nodes. Now start with the function def. What is the first function? Create. यार इसको checklist बना सकते हैं क्या? Okay, you can get a line, you can't get a checklist. Checklist, create, take user input. Let's take. Okay, so now in this print, hey, please give us your, अरे इसको अपन इसमें क्यों ले रहे हैं? We can actually take it in input itself. Input, give us your input out of rock, paper, scissor. Okay, with, let's say, R, rock, paper, scissor, RPS. Done. It will check, let's say user in equal to this. If user input equal to rock, or okay, user input equal to paper, P, or user input equal to S. Fine. It's like it will say return return भी नहीं, एक काम करते रुको. First it has to give a while loop. While let's create one more condition here. Is the input okay is equal to is the input okay? Let's say false. While is input okay equal to false. If this is false, then this has to continuously run. If this is R, P, or S, if it is R, P, S, then it has to get out of the loop. Okay, then it has to get out of the loop, saying that input equal to true. As soon as this false is equal to false is true. As soon as this, if it is R, P, or S, true will become this will become true automatically. If this becomes true, true is equal to false, no, then it will exit. Clear? That's it. Here you easily say that return user input. That's it. Done. Now see what is there. Take user input, you run this. If you give this any other output, if you try to give this any other output which is not R, P, or S, this will again and again ask you. Let's say I'm giving E, it will ask you again. If I'm even giving small r, it will again ask you. I have to only give it capital R, then it will say R. Okay, then it will exit, or else it will again ask. Okay, it will again and again and again and again it will ask. Fine, clear? Okay, everyone sorted? हाँ या ना, सब लोग आ गए बराबर? डन है? We have done very simple code. Okay, done. Clear? Chalo, I'm just removing this line of code. This works. Now the next line of code is generate a random number. Generate a random computer output. Okay. Here I need import random. And in this import random, like let's say we will use it for generate computer input. Fine. Now in this we will create a list. LT is equal to R P S. Okay, random dot choice. Okay, in this you have to pass LT. Okay, now simply do return. Clear? Very simple. 2 lines of code. अरे रे 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 एक छोटा सा गलती हो गया. This R should be small r. Okay, clear? पक्का? Done. चलो, generate and computer input, that is giving S. Now let's say you give something else, it will again give you something. It will again give you random. It's completely random. Okay, it is completely giving random thing based out of this list that you provided. Okay, done. Are you guys with me? Fine. 2 modules are done. What's the next module? Check who is winning. ये थोड़ा important है. Now, how to calculate who is winning? df check winner. Okay, 2 variables. Computer input, user input. ठीक है? If एक minute, like let's just do it small c and small u. Okay, if c equal to rock and u equal to r, I mean rock. Okay, sorry, r capital rock, who will win? It's a draw. Okay, return D. Clear? Return tree. Elif C is R. C computer input is R rock, and our output, our input is Caesar. Rock and Caesar, who will win? Rock and Caesar. If it is rock and Caesar, who will win? Computer is rock, user is Caesar. Rock beats Caesar, na? So then it is going to be C as the output. Hana? Then next, if C is R and U is P, okay, then who will win? User will win. Chalo. Then next, again, this time let's say computer is saying I am this time Caesar, it's a draw. Then we have got Caesar paper, Caesar is the winner, that is computer. Then Caesar rock, who is the winner? User is the winner, U. Then this time R हो गया, S हो गया, then it is P time. P or S, U will win, that is user will win. Now I hope you got the hang of it. है ना? P or R, who will win? R will win, that is again U will win. Okay, then P, अरे यार P and R में तो कंप्यूटर विन होगा ना, क्योंकि पेपर बीट्स रॉक, that is C will be the output. P and S, sorry, P and P, it will be draw. So let's just check, 3 draws are there. I'm checking if all the conditions are working fine. D. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding what's happening here. Okay, return C, D means draw or something. Done. So check winner, inside check winner, I have got one take user input, let's say, and for the second thing I have got generate computer input. Okay, I'm passing these two variables. It will ask me what is your thing, minus p. Computer did something else, and the output is C. That means computer has 1. Now what was computer ka thing, we will see now. Wait, just for time being, C and U, computer input, user input. What is the thing? Let's say this time we are doing S, computer input S, user input R. We have to first send computer, then we have to send user. Okay, now this will work out. We have to do R. Computer did P, user did R, then the output is C. Okay, now let's run it one more time. This time we are doing P. Computer did S, we did P, and we computer is the winner. One more time. Okay. Rock. Computer P, user rock. हाँ यार सही बात है, computer is the winner. This is actually working fine. Now if we just wrap this entire thing in a while loop. While play again is equal to y. Play again is equal to y. And in this we have to take one more time, play again is equal to input. Do you wanna play again? Output is y or n. Let's say this time I'm doing rock, and computer, ये क्या है भाई, user input R, computer is S, output, who is winning? Show us who is winning. Acha, it is not printing that. So this time R. Okay, so C means computer. Okay, see, it's actually working now. All we need to do is like writing a score ka logic, and our entire program will be done. Okay, so let's take again, I want to play. Hey, please give us your input. This time I want to do P. Okay, it's a draw. Do you want to play again? Yes, I want to play again. Give us your input. This time S. It's again a draw. You want to play again? Yes, I want to play again. This time I want to do P. Okay, computer input R, your input P. Oh wow, this time we won. So kya hai? P, D, D, C. So it was draw twice. Then we have one. Yes. Okay, let's say R. Chalo, now let's make it proper. Okay, score. We will create a score thing. Score is equal to let's take a proper dictionary. Okay, a proper dictionary, score dictionary, score dt. In this let's say score user score 0, then you score 0, let's say, just for making sure the attributes like the variable names are key names are small. C score is equal to again 0, and at last we do draw score, DRAW, draw is equal to 0. Fine, clear. We have created a base thing. Now instead of printing this, we will remove it from printing and we will store it in winner is equal to something. Now if winner is equal to D, if winner is equal to D, score dt inside this draw equal to maybe just we'll do simple like this only for that, so that you can actually understand what I'm doing. Elif winner is equal to C, so here C score, okay, then elif, see the simple na, else, then to only one condition is remaining, that is user is the winner, you score. Done. Chalo, this is also done. Ye ho gaya. Now we have to show the scoreboard. So showing scoreboard can also be a nice function that we will create right now. We can create a nice function for showing scoreboard. Show scoreboard. Show scoreboard. It will just take one DT, that is dictionary, and okay, now here it will do print okay, scoreboard. Done. Here it will do something like user, or like user is equal to dt dot get u score, okay, same like draw then we close this with this. Nice formatting done. So if we run this right now, all we have to do is show scoreboard, ये वाला function यहाँ पे pass करना है, okay, show scoreboard, and in this we have to pass dt, score dt. Done. Post this, we want to clear the entire output. Okay, we want to clear the entire output. We want to clear entire output. Let's say I will put this thing here itself. I want to clear the entire board. बस लास्ट एक चीज़ है, one more last thing, that is in JYPU Jupyter notebook, how to clear the output. Using a code. Clear output. Okay. From IPython display clear output. Okay. So that is clear output. So let me just get this thing also done. Now, so here I want, as soon as this thing is done, clear output, wait is equal to 1 second or something. No, it gave wait is equal to true. Okay, true. Done. Chalo, let's work it out. देखते हैं. But the scoreboard is this. Okay, what do you want? R. Let's say R. But यार print नहीं कर रहा. Who won? ये this is not printing who won. अच्छा, it was a draw. This was a draw. See, this was a draw. Okay. Now if you want paper, let's say. Okay. Do you want to play again? Yes. Computer 1, draw 1. Okay. Now you again want to play. This time I'm doing rock. So see, this is actually working. Now the scoreboard is working. Fine. So let's stop this entire code. Now what we will do, instead of printing key, what was printing here, like whenever you do score this, score that, it was just printing the scoreboard and it was not showing us anything. So fine, take 1 minute, just give me 1 minute. Okay. Hey, how many of you are with me? I just got lost in the entire coding process. I was just not even observing you guys. Okay, so are you guys with me, or like नींद आके भाग गया, or are you guys left? What is that? What is the status? I mean, is it I mean, are you guys able to even understand what I'm doing? Okay, so I just hope that you get it, what's happening here. I have removed it. This is also done. Here I have done proper this thing. This is done, this is done, this is done. Now this will work. See, still we don't have one last thing, that who won every time, every output, that we guys have not yet seen. कि मतलब who is winning every time, that pop-up is not coming. So we just have to get that pop-up done. Once that pop-up is done, that's it, we are done with the entire code. Okay, so let's say I'm doing R. You want to play again? Yes. It was a draw. Again I'm doing R. You want to play again? Yes. Okay, let's say I want to do again R. So see, it is actually clearing and it is coming back and forth. So वो थोड़ा सा छोटा bug जैसा लग रहा है तुम्हें, but see what's happening here when I'm giving again R. And so in between this line and this line, it should show कि यार who won. Okay, who won, that one simple thing is missing. So if computer won last round, it should show that computer won the last round. Okay, that's it. So see, the last score was like, this was a score, but नहीं update नहीं हुआ है scoreboard. So एक काम करते रुको, ये scoreboard को ना, we'll take it to the bottom of this only. Done. So this is also done, but here who won, that we need the output. So print it was a draw. Then here it is C na, computer wins. Okay, here it is last thing, user wins. Done. So this is the entire code here. Now user wins. Do you want to play again? Yes. Okay, it will ask you like hey, please give us your input. Again, computer wins. Okay, see now this is even giving you computer wins. You want to play again? Yes. Okay, this time I want to do P, and do you want to play again? Yes. Who won? All of us have won at least once. Again R, it was a draw. Okay, so fine, I want to play again. So now see, I mean our entire code is working properly now. This time it is all working properly. Clear? Okay, are you guys with me? Yes or no? I hope तुम सबको समझ आ रहा है क्योंकि user wins. Okay, you want to play again? Yes, I want to play again. This time again I want to do rock. Okay, it was a draw. You want to play again? Yes. R, computer wins. Yes, R. Okay, do you want to play again? Yes, I want to play again. R again. Okay, it was a draw. Achha, you want to play again? Yes. So see, the score is like draw 4 times, computer won 3 times, user won 2 times. Again, one last time we are doing R. It was a draw. Shit man, कितनी बार draw होगा ये? P करते हैं इस बार. It was a draw. अरे भाई साहब. S, computer wins. Shit. We have to at least win 2 more times. That's it. Shit. We are not even winning. We are losing every time. User wins. Chalo. Fine. We have to win more 3 times. Let's say. This is not working out, guys. Chalo. So I hope you guys have understood how to create a game. It was all very simple. It is there right in your Google Colab notebook. Step number 1 was to like take user input from RPS. Okay. Then we generated a random computer input based on RPS again from a list. Then we have done who is the winner. Check who is the winner. If C selects rock and U selects rock, then the return should be draw. If C selects rock, U select Caesar, then the return should be computer as a winner. So this is the entire matrix that we created for judgment. Once this is done, you have seen here scoreboard. This is for scoreboard, and that's it. Here we are with this entire base code. This is the base code which does all the repetitive work and all. That's it. We are here playing the game. Okay, I hope that's it. Done. See, last one more time it is printing the scoreboard. It says कि चलो हो गया guys, घर जाओ. कितना okay, done. Yes, nice यार, this is so good. मैं जीत गया. Okay, चलो, last time it was a draw. Now I don't want to play. Simple. This is the final scoreboard. Okay, so this is how you can actually build your own games, and this is one small thing that we have created today, and I hope that you guys will continue learning this. To download your certificate, just head on to the link in the description. If you have marked all the days attendance, automatically you will see your certificate is unlocked. You can download that. Okay, so it is no rocket science at all. Just go ahead and download your certificate. I hope you guys have learned the entire thing. Love you all. Looking forward to meet you all in my next Python project, which is there on AI, okay, like AI pipeline thing. Okay, so just come live on 10th of January. I think it's on 10th of January. You can basically tune in again, and we will do that time how to integrate, how to use ChatGPT's API with Python and build your own AI applications. It's easy, it's not rocket science. Clear? Chalo, thank you everyone. I hope you guys have enjoyed this last 6 days, and today we have even created object-oriented programming and a game. Just go post your certificate on LinkedIn, okay, and tag me there. My full name is Sai Kiran Sundarkar. Okay, if I get some time, I will 100% repost your certificates, or at least comment on your certificates. Okay, chalo, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day. Looking forward to meet you all in the upcoming sessions as well. Fine guys, bye bye. This was my last Python session which I'm taking on LetsUpgrade. Post this, no time I'm gonna take any kind of Python essentials topic. I will be teaching all advanced things, done with all the enough of like all the basic things done. That's it. Thank you, have a nice day, and thank you for joining in. Bye bye, take care.